Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club in Denial. Yeah. Westonia Love of Henna will be my stamping plate today. And this will be my first attempt at She Modern Clear Sticky Stamping Polish and Nail Foils. I'm going to warn you, it don't go well. I've started off with Nailtix Formula 2. And here is Color Club's in Denial. Beautiful light baby blue. And we're just going to hop on in here and get some of this on our nails because I'm really excited about playing with the She Modern products. Now, like everything, ladies, gents, things can be tricky until you figure them out. But, you know, on my channel, I share every wicked little step I take. And whether I mess it up or blow it out the water, great, I'm going to share it with you guys. Now, I said this manicure did not turn out. Look, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. But I wore it for the whole week, so it couldn't have been all that bad. Oh, girl, that made a mess. Guess what? Woody to the rescue. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So we're going to clean that mess up. Just like with all of these nail art, whether it's stamping, dry brushing, water marbling, dotacure, it doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing, it takes practice. And you have to figure it out. And I'm going to take you on the journey with me. Now that I've got In Denial down and Opaque and all that, I am going to put this top coat from I&M on. It's called Out the Door. We're going to get this to dry down. Now, I am going to have to dry it down really, really well. And then we're going to do something else to it to try to get these foils to work right. So there's my swatch photo of it on its own. Now, I'm going to hop in here with some matte top coat. And this is just some that I got from like Born Pretty or AliExpress. I've got some coming in the mail that was recommended to me because I'm just not digging what I've got. You know, I don't do matte nails often, but look how pretty that looks matte. Alright, so Love of Henna by Westonia is my stamping plate. I've got out a clear stamper, and here's the clear sticky stamping polish from She Modern, and some nail foils that I bought years ago, and a She Modern scraper. So we're going to try this. Now, parts of this turned out great, and parts of it didn't. So, it's some of that live and learn. I do the scrape, and I have to tell you, playing with clear is tricky, because, you know, you can't hardly see it. So I'm just going to plop that on my nail. And you're supposed to wait. I waited about 30 seconds. And then I'm going in with my little piece of foil. Tap, 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 tap. Because all the videos I've seen, you don't rub it in like you do with normal foils and stuff and foil glues and whatnot. Okay, well that didn't turn out so great, but it's still kind of tacky. So I'm just going to go around and tap, tap, tap some more. Now, it's not bad. I don't think for my first time that this is bad at all. I've had way worse experiences playing with new nail art stuff. So while it's tacky, I'm still trying to get as much on there as I can. And it's still very pretty. Now, my pinky nail's a hot mess, but it's okay. Like I said, I wore this many for a week because, you know, I wasn't too offended by it. So we're trying to get some of that foil off of my skin, and the tape trick's working a little bit. And we're going to try this again. Now, I've watched a lot of videos, and I've been on the She Modern. She does live shows or live things twice a week. And I've watched quite a bit of those, and I have picked up some tips and tricks. I am using my sticky thing, my lint roller, to get that off the stamper. So I'm just showing you what you can do in the time while you're waiting the 30 to 60 seconds for your stamp to kind of, you know, congeal or start to dry a little bit. You can clean up your stamper, around your nails. You can clean up, your stamping plate. You've got some time. That's what's lovely about the sticky stamping polishes is you're not supposed to be in a rush. And that's what my problem is. I'm sure of it. So there we go. We've wasted, or not wasted, we have done about 30 seconds of playing and fiddling while this is drying. So just as a FYI, I did do some more experimenting with this off camera, not on my nails. See, look, a lot of that just kept all over the nail. You can still see part of the design, but it held down a lot more foil. And that's because the polish is too wet. I'm rushing it because I was only doing about 30 seconds. So in my case, with my humidity and temperature and everything, I think I need to, give it some more time, like maybe 60 seconds or 90 seconds. I have been playing with this, and I do think the longer times do work out way better. You're going to see way more videos of this. So there we go. We've put another clear stamp on and waited the allotted time, and I'm tapping. And you can see it took it in some spots, but not all. And I'm just tapping. More of it's coming. See? It's getting better. It's getting better. And that's what I want you guys to realize. When you get this new stuff, you get all giddy because it showed up in the mail like I do. And you're all excited, and then it doesn't turn out, and then you just kind of push it off to the side and don't play with it. You got to play with it. Break this stuff out. Play with it. Do it on your mat. Do it on fake nails. Whatever. Play with it. So here is the She Modern, and this is the sealer to go over foils. This is to keep them from crinkling when you top coat them. So I'm going to put a coat of that on all of the nails. And once that is completely dry, I'm going to top it with Posh Top Coat. And then it'll be to done. And, like I said, this was not perfect, but I wanted to show you it doesn't have to be on your first go or your second go. You got to play with this stuff. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this, and keep trying, y'all. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.